Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change mouse pointer color and size on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Before that, please do subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. So let's get started. In this video, I'll show you easy and quick method for changing the mouse pointer color and size on Windows 11. First of all, here click on the start button, then click on the settings. Now from here, go to the Bluetooth and device option. After that, scroll down until you find mouse option. Just open this mouse option. Now again scroll down and go to the mouse pointer. Now you will find here some default color for mouse pointer. First one is white, which is already selected. Second one is black and third one is inverted. If you select this third one, it will select a color automatically that will stand out to the eye. Okay, and finally from the fourth option you can choose a color which one you want. From the choose another color option you can add another color. Okay, that's all how you can change your mouse cursor color. And if you want to change your mouse pointer size, then here from the below you can increase and decrease the size of the mouse pointer according to your needs. So friend, that's the way how you can change your mouse cursor color and size. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.